This earth is a beautiful place with plants, life, all interacting with each other. This is planet Earth. We begin our journey in the White Mountain Range. These majestic mountains are known for their tall peaks covered in layers of snow. While these mountains may seem very peaceful, there are still many dangers. Avalanches. So why do avalanches occur? Well, first of all, avalanches can only occur between a 25% and 60% grade slope. Any steeper and the layers of snow won't form, any less steeper and the snow just won't be able to fall. Avalanches occur when the layers of snow are disturbed. Now, let's say that it snows and you get a nice strong layer of snow to form on the mountain. This strong layer is going to have densely compacted snow and it's going to make the layer nice and strong. Now then you might get a weak layer of snow to come down. And this weak layer of snow is going to be less densely compacted. It's going to be more grainy, and it's going to be a weak layer. Now then say you get another strong layer of snow that's dense right on top of that. Now you have three layers here, a strong, a weak, and a strong. That's not very balanced, and because of that, if this weak layer keeping the strong layers from compacting, that might cause an imbalance and disturbance. So anything that causes disturbance is going to cause layers to just come off and slide, an avalanche. So what kind of disturbances cause avalanches? Well, just about anything that disturbs the snow. Whether it be skiers, earthquakes, or anything else that shifts the snow and causes it to fall down. Avalanches are very dangerous occurrences. While that puffy snow may seem harmless, there is other debris that could get caught and easily hurt someone when rumbling down a hill. For example, trees. If they get caught in an avalanche and you get caught in an avalanche, they could easily hurt you. To mention that with layers of snow on top of you, it can be very heavy and hard to dig out. Avalanches can cause changes in land structure. Here, big portions of snow have moved from the top of the mountain to the bottom and knocked over trees, rocks, life, and many other things along its way.